Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're seeing this face, hello, hi, my name is Topsy. Hope you guys are well. It's been a while, well, not too much of a while. I guess I haven't filmed in probably about 2 weeks, and it's because it's just really hot. First of all, I have a fan here because I honestly can't film without a fan. This heat is something else in the UK, and for the past couple of weeks I did not have my desk fan, so I just got one. So if you see my background moving or if you see my hair moving or all over the place, then it's because I have a fan here. Without a fan, I'll be melting right in front of your eyes. So that's why I haven't filmed, and yeah, in a while, because I just didn't have a fan. And the room that I film in, my filming room, is pretty much the area where it is where the sun hits the most, so it's always like sweltering in this room. Apologies again if you can hear my fan in the background. Anyway, enough chatting. A couple of you hit me up on my DM. Thanks for checking up on me. I am fine. Also asking me if I was gonna get my hands on the new foundation by Colourpop that came out. I'm not sure when it came out, maybe a few weeks ago. And as tempting as it was, because you guys know that I love Colourpop, I wanted to pick up the foundation, I really did. But the thing is, because I live in the UK, I always have issues every time with my Colourpop order getting to me on time. It takes quite a while to get to me, and I just thought if I was to order the foundation, by the time I get it, you guys will be over it. So I won't be picking up the foundation, unfortunately. And honestly, I have just way too many foundations. I only have one face. So I want to use up all the foundations that I have instead of just like accumulating more and more. And to be honest, I'm so used to my holy grails right now. I do tend to stick to use my holy grails more, you know, than the other ones that I have, so they don't get much use, and there's no point sort of like, you know, accumulating more foundations and not using them. So I thought instead this week that I would, if you want to pick up the foundation, I mean, I have watched quite a few reviews, and for the most part they've been positive reviews. So I mean, if you someone who was looking for a affordable foundation that would do the job, then I guess, you know, I guess give it a thumbs up. But like I said, I haven't personally tried it. I'm just going by the reviews that I've watched. So I thought in this week's video, if you're looking to pick up the foundation while you're on the Colourpop website, you know, I want to share with you my sort of favorite Colourpop makeup products with you guys. So I will share with you my favorite Colourpop products. Yeah, so if you're on the website and you're picking up a foundation, you might decide to pick up one or two of these products as well, because I give them 3 thumbs up. Just in case you're wondering if I've tried their concealer, the no filter Colourpop no filter concealers, I did pick them up when they first launched. It was last year. Yeah, it was okay. I wouldn't say it was like, wow, it was something that I couldn't put down. No, it was just okay. Yeah, so I won't be featuring the concealers in my video. I know loads of people love the concealer. You know, what works for other people doesn't have to necessarily work for you. So it's not my fave, so that's why it's not in this video, in case you were wondering. Let's start with eyeshadows. Like, I actually only have 2 of them. And the first one is the high maintenance one, and that's just the sleeve. I'll just show you. So that's how it looks like. There's other 4 colors in it. I love this palette. I'm not gonna really swatch in this video. It's just basically showing you the colors. So there are 2 mattes and there are 2 shimmer shadows, and it's called the Colourpop High Maintenance Palette, and it comes, I can put it back in the sleeve. You know when you haven't filmed in a while and you're like struggling? That's what I'm doing right now. I'm struggling with this. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. Yeah, And as you know, the most recent collaboration with Colourpop was with my girl Shayla, and she came out with the Perception Shayla X Colourpop, and I already did a review on this, and that's how that palette looks like. Absolutely beautiful. I love this palette. Shayla definitely did her thing with this palette. It's gorgeous. I did do a full review on this palette or on this collection. I would leave it somewhere in the cards right here. Love that palette. In terms of eyeshadow palettes, those are the only two that I have from Colourpop that I love using. I also do like their Super Shock shadows, and I have 4 of them, and I'll show you. The first one is called Nillionaire. Struggle to pronounce that word, and it looks like that. It's like a bronzy metallic color. Well, I guess the Super Shock shadows are metallic, but yeah, this is more like a bronzy, very pretty color. And then the next one is called Amaze, and again, this one is another beautiful, not as dark bronze as Nillionaire is, more like on the lighter side of the bronze. Yeah, so I really do love that as well. And this one is called Amaze. And the next one is called Revolution, and this is more like a lilac-y pinkish color. Love that too. And finally we have Lace, which is like a purple color. So beautiful. I love this shade or this color. So yeah, so those are the 4 Super Shock shadows that I have from Colourpop that I absolutely love. And moving on to eyebrows. For the longest time, I used to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow sort of pencil, or the MAC, MAC Spiked. And then I discovered Colourpop, and I was like, I haven't come back. I haven't used, I still use my MAC once in a while because I still have it. But if I run out, I won't be repurchasing, if that makes sense, because this Colourpop eyebrow pencils are the business. The color that I use, actually I use 2 colors. I use BlacknBrown, so if I want like the proper, like really dark look to my brows, because this one is really like sort of dark brown. It's almost black. I guess that's why they call it BlacknBrown. Yeah, so if I want my brows to be very bold, I would use this. And on days when I just want a subtle brown, not doing too much, then I'll go for the one called Banging Brunette, and that's like a lighter brown. I absolutely love this Colourpop brow pencils. I have a stash in my backup drawer, like a lot. Like I have like maybe 10. That's how much I love them, because they just do the job. They have great staying power, and they just look good. So, and it's affordable, so what's there not to like? So definitely I would recommend the Colourpop brow pencil. They are definitely in my Colourpop faves. So next I will talk about highlighters. You guys know that I love my highlighters. I do have a couple here to show you, and the first one is called Candyman, and I think this actually featured in my favorite highlighters for the end of 2017. I love this highlighter. It's just beautiful. I have it on today. I actually have it on mixed with another one that I'm gonna talk about. Yeah, so I love the effect it gives, and it's Colourpop. It's affordable, so why not? So yeah, I really do like that. And the next one is part of the Makeupshayla collection, and this is the one called Boomin. I do love Boomin. It's like it's a loose powder highlighter, so it's just gorgeous. Try not tip it over. So that's how it looks like. It's the lighter of the 2 highlighters that Shayla brought out. The second one is called Pose, I believe, and that's more like a darker, maybe not darker, but more coppery, not as more rose goldy, not as sort of gold as this one is, but I definitely prefer this one because I use it as like a topper for all my highlighters, and I really do like the way it comes out. So finally, well actually, yeah, finally we're going to go on to lip products. You guys know that my heart is for lipsticks and lip glosses and things of that nature, and I absolutely love Colourpop lipsticks. I have done a few videos maybe a couple of years ago, basically showing you my favorite liquid lipsticks, and Colourpop lipsticks do feature very heavily in those videos, and yeah, I just love them. I mean, I have one of them on today, which is More Better by Colourpop. I would describe it as like a fuchsia pink. I love this lipstick, and funny enough, you know, sometimes Colourpop lipsticks can be drying, let's be honest, but if you make sure you moisturize your lips very well, then you shouldn't have a problem. However, I have found that this is probably one of the best formulas in their liquid lipsticks, the More Better. I feel like this one is very what's the word, less drying than all the other ones that I have, and I really do like this color. I always bring out this color. Well, I was gonna say I always bring out this color in the summer, but let's be honest, I bring out this color every time of the year. Winter, summer, autumn, spring, I'm wearing this color because I just love it. And another favorite of mine is one of the ones from the Ellarie Colourpop collection, and it's called Sessy. This one is so winter, so fall appropriate, but to be honest, I'll wear it any time of the year again because I don't really do season appropriate lipsticks. If I feel like wearing a dark lip, even if it's in the middle of summer, then I'm just gonna do that. But I really do like this lipstick. And if you guys actually want me to do sort of my top 5 Colourpop liquid lipsticks, like a swatch fest for you guys, because you guys know how much I love doing those, then let me know. Leave a comment in the comment section or give this video a thumbs up, just to let me know if you would like me to film that for you. I've been obsessed with the again, the Ellarie Colourpop collab lip gloss called Netta. You guys know because I did a review on this collab when it came out. I absolutely love this. It's like a nudie color. It's so beautiful. So I really do like this one as well. Yeah, so that's it. That's pretty much all like my top products that I love from Colourpop. If you're looking to pick up the foundation, then you might want to pick up 1 or 2 of those products, and I hope you like them just as much as I do. Share with me some of your favorite Colourpop products in the comment section. I would love to know. Yeah, leave them in the comment section and let me know. For next time I make another on Colourpop, I might just pick some of them up. So going forward, I wanted to start sharing some fun facts about me, or maybe not always fun, but facts anyway about me. I got this idea from Makeup Doll. I thought it was a great idea. It's been a while since I did a Q&A, or answering questions about myself, so I felt like every video you can sort of get to know me just that little bit more if I share fun facts about myself with you in every video. So here we go. For the first fun fact about myself is that I don't know how to swim. Yeah, I mean, that might not be unusual for some people, but some people might be like, "Oh, you don't know how to swim," but I don't. I learned when I was quite young, and I never did it, and I just sort of lost the skill, I guess. I don't even know if that's possible, but I guess for me it was possible. I do not know how to swim, and I might just learn how to swim one day. So yeah, that's my first fun fact for this video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in another video very soon. Take care, guys. Bye.
What you do to me, I can't figure out.